Once upon a time, in a sunny savannah, lived a friendly elephant named Gray. Gray was different from other elephants because he was gray, while they were all white or yellow. One day, Gray felt a little sad. "Why am I not like the others?" he thought. He wished he had a splash of color like they did. As Gray wandered through the savannah, he saw a colorful bird perched on a tree branch. "Hello, Gray," the bird chirped. "What's troubling you today?" "I wish I had a splash of color," Gray said, looking at his gray skin. "I feel different from everyone else." The bird thought for a moment, then said, "Follow me, Gray. I have a surprise for you." Gray followed the bird, and they arrived at a magical pond. In the pond, there were flowers of every color imaginable. "Dip your trunk in the water, Gray," the bird said. Gray dipped his trunk into the water and a magical thing happened. The water transformed into a beautiful rainbow, and the rainbow colors swirled up his trunk and covered his body. Now Gray was a rainbow elephant. Gray looked at himself in the pond and saw that he was beautiful. "Thank you," he said to the bird. "I feel so special now." From that day on, Gray was no longer just a gray elephant. He was the rainbow elephant, the most colorful and unique elephant in the savannah. And every day, he would visit the magical pond to remind himself of his specialness. The end. 99 sentences.